Hey guys, this is Erik Himmel. Welcome to my studio here in Los Angeles. Today I want to talk to you about the SC20. The SC20 is a new combo amp from the guys over at Sound City. It has a 12-inch reissue Fane speaker in it. It comes in at 35 pounds. It's got two 6v6 power tubes, 5 preamp tubes, and it's got a 3-band EQ, a built-in reverb, and also has a normal volume and a brilliant volume. These volumes are internally bridged so that you can blend the two together and get a diverse set of tones. This thing is perfect for gigs, it's perfect for recording, and one thing that's really cool about it is that it takes pedals really well. I'm going to show you a couple examples of some of the tones you can get out of this amp using some different guitars. I'm also going to demonstrate it with some pedals.